Eternal Spring is a sensual, slow belly dance Ciftetelli choreography for absolute beginners. It has a dreamlike, romantic flow following a beautiful flute melody. While social dance can be repetitive and doesn't have to express anything but joy, when you're performing on stage, to keep your audience interested, you need to infuse your dance with meaning, tell them a story. Eternal Spring is a moodscape evocative of spring, awakening of the senses, wonder at the beauty of nature and the mysteries of the universe. We'll learn a lot of belly dance steps, both fluid and percussive, not in isolation, but in the context of real dance. I will explain every step in detail. Our practice session features a beat counter on screen to help you learn dance, rhythm and timing. And if you are not familiar with standard belly dance terminology, you will see the names of each step and transition displayed on screen. We will also get used to counting the music beats as we are learning and practicing our steps. Counting is a simple but essential skill that will help you learn proper pacing and the structure of the Ciftetelli rhythm.